Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add TikTok sounds into CapCut in 2025 update. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your CapCut app and logged into your account, and you will come in your home page when you logged in. So as you can see over here, you will see this option over here, add project, and then add any project that you want to add over here. Hey everyone, welcome back to like that. I want to add this product over here, or like this video over here. So as you can see over here, the music icon on the bottom, you will see over here, click on that, and then extract over here, click on that, or like you can simply do is to add music and then go to sounds, and then you will see over here at the top of this you will see TikTok icon. Click on that and then link to TikTok account. So whenever you click on this, you will comes in your TikTok account, and then you will see over here CapCut wants to access your TikTok account. Click on continue, and then it's gonna be like connected to your TikTok account. So like that, but in my case it didn't work because of my internet speed is too slow, so that's why it's gonna be getting error. But in your case, if you have a good quality of internet, then it's gonna be connected with your CapCut, and that's it. That's how you can connect your CapCut to TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.